Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to duet something on YouTube Shorts. In order to do this, you first have to launch your YouTube mobile application, and after that you just have to select that particular shorts on which you want to do it. Once you have selected the reel, you are going to see this remix button in the bottom. So you need to tap on remix, and then you are going to see a bunch of different options over here. Now among these options you need to tap on collab, and once you do this you are going to see the video that you have selected. As you can see over here that this video that I have selected is maximum of 15 seconds, so I can use these 15 seconds or I can even reduce its length. So if you want to reduce the duration of your video, then you can use this slider in the bottom, and after that you can adjust it to the particular length of the video that you want. After selecting it, you will have to tap on the next button in the bottom right hand corner of the screen, and once you do this you are going to see that it is now processing. Now once the process is completed, you are going to see the video that you have selected in the left hand side and your camera in the right hand side. So you need to tap on this camera button in the bottom, and then your recording will be started, and you will also notice that the reel that you have selected is also playing. Now once you have created your video with the short that you have selected, you need to press next in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. After that you can post this short on your channel. If you want to add text into it, then you will have to tap on this text button in the top, and after writing any of the text you need to press done in the bottom. You can even trim it, or you can even add effects on top of this video. So this is how you can easily duet something on YouTube Short. If the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.